If we have to suggest you a course of digital marketing,
Go for Digital Medha.
hi, my name is Ammar Qureshi. I'm from Hyderabad.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Abdul Rafay. I am also from Hyderabad.
We used to work in Google before in Google Ads. We actually wanted to get deeper knowledge about Google Ads more and even Meta Ads. So we joined Digital Medha over here, and we had an incredible experience over here. We really loved the way Monica ma'am teaches us over here especially with the Google Ads and the Meta Ads. The most amazing part was the website development, which we really loved. We literally built websites from scratch. It took us a week or two, but it was an incredible experience. We learned a lot.
So me and Ammar has joined this course last 2 months back. The journey has been absolutely great because in this journey we have learned about website designing and web development. We have learned a lot of great things in this course. As I have created a grocery website and Ammar has created a cleaning service-based website. So the journey was amazing. We have learned SEO process where we have learned a lot of SEO planning things where SEO takes a long period. So we have gained a lot of experience in SEO field as well as in Google Ads. We have learned a lot of things just as PMax and demand gen. It's a great journey in the digital Medha. So Amma, could you share your experience?
Yeah, it was a great experience over here. I would definitely recommend this institute to everyone actually. We both are actually planning to go overseas for jobs. So this has helped us a lot for our futures.
So
Thank you so much, Digital Medha. If we have to suggest you a course of digital marketing,
go for Digital Medha.
thank you.
Thank you.